Alright, so here's the Porsche. It's been sitting for probably a week and a half because I have been out of the country. But yeah, let's do a cold start. Still dirty. So as you can see, temp is nothing. Battery's below 12 volts a little bit because it has been sitting. Let's go check it out. Has no smoke. I was actually still driving it up until I left.